What's cooking good looking?
Hey, what's cooking good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by y'all truly, T-Bone Marmaduke, aka The Duke. Well, it's a cold, windy, wet, miserable day here in South Gilly. Perfect for some barbecue. So I saw this beautiful hunk of lamb leg in the local supermarché this weekend and I was like, Shazam! I mean, lamb is so dang expensive here right now, so when I see half price, count me in. Just don't tell Laszlo lamb. So what we're gonna do today, we're just gonna be real simple during the Traeger. Just gonna rub her down with this 3X Smoky Salt Pepper Garlic SPG, courtesy of Smoke and Flame Rub Company. And then I think we'll hit her up with a little hot honey afterwards. Give her a little bit of glaze once we got a little bit of smoke on her. What are we waiting for? Let's do this. Okay, so we've got our lamb leg here. We ain't gonna do anything fancy to it. We're just gonna rub her up, throw her in the Traeger, and after about an hour or so, we're just gonna rub it down with this beautiful SPG, smoked SPG. Just flip her over. And it's a bit cold today. May have to take matters into my own hand. We ain't gonna use a binder or anything like that. This stuff smells great. To begin with, we're gonna run our Traeger at 150 degrees Celsius. Get that last little bit of rub on there. Oh yeah. Just gonna put her on the top bunk, like that. And there we go, ready for action. Just close her up. Shazam. How could I forget? Meter probe. Okay, we're just gonna stick her in the thickest part here. And we fire up the app. Now I must say, it's cold, wet, miserable here today. I was planning on doing this lamb on the rotisserie. I got some beautiful firewood from Firemasters UK. But you know what? It's just so much easier right now for me to press a button and just get this on the Traeger. And you get a great, well, I'm hoping to get some great results like I usually do. Anyway, between the meter and the Traeger, you can't go wrong. Anyway, now, famous last words. Anyway, I'm going back inside. Today's episode is brought to you by Smoke and Flame Barbecue Rub Company. My favorite rub on the beef has to be Smoke and Flame Black Magic. And now, you can get yourself a little bit of the action in a gift set, gift box, a perfect gift under the tree for any barbecue dude or dudette. Look at that. Oh man, and look at that. It's embossed and beautifully gift wrapped. So that's one thing left to do on the Christmas Eve. Perfect little gift for under the Christmas tree. I think even Santa might want one of these. Go head over to Smoke and Flame to grab yours today. Sneak peek time, people. That's how I do. Sneak peek. Whoa, look at that. Our lamb is looking good, taking on a beautiful mahogany color, taking on a little bit of smoke. Oh man, we're looking good. I think it's time to give her a little hot honey glaze. We're just gonna pour on there, baby. Oh yeah. We may finish this. Yeah, we may have to go to the backup bottle. Oh yeah, but now we're talking. This is kind of crystallized, so I may have to transfer this to, I don't want to waste it, any of it. This is precious stuff. So you can see the last bit on the bottle is crystallized somewhat. That means that's quality honey. But I think we need a little more. Well, I found a little backup stash. Shazam! The good stuff. Now, I have got the other ones, the Chipotle and the other one, but because my mother-in-law and my kids are gonna be eating this. Gotta keep it kind of tame. Oh, there you go. That's the good stuff. Right. We are in business. Just a little splash more. Yeah, boy. Okay. Oh, look at that glaze. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna crank it up the temp. We're gonna add a little bit more pellets because we are on low pellet. We're gonna crank it from 150 up to 200. And we're gonna add some more pellets. We're just gonna top her up with the Traeger signature blend. Shazam. Okay, so we're on the home stretch now. We've added our hot honey. We cranked it from 150 degrees Celsius up to 200. It should be ready in about a half hour. Hopefully that hot honey is gonna get all sticky and caramelize a little bit, and soon it'll be Shazlam o'clock. Hey, Bobby.
Yeah,
I burned 2,000 calories yesterday.
yeah.
That's the last time I'm leaving brownies in the barbecue while I take a nap. Little hand says it's time to rock and roll. What we got? Whoa, look at that. Oh, ain't that a beauty? Yeah, I think we're up to temp. I think it's time to bring her home. Wow, look at that. Beautiful little bit of lamb in the rain. Okay, we're gonna bring her inside to rest her up for about a half hour, and then we'll serve her up. It's been a half hour, we've been resting up, and it's time to unwrap our little present. Oh, look at that. There's a nice little caramelized glaze on top of this beautiful hunk of lamb leg. I think we're looking good. What do you say? Oh man, we reach for our caveman style cleaver. We just gently slice her up. Oh man, I always say this, but I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, look how juicy and delicious and tender that is. Who wants a slice? Oh man, nice little smoke ring on that. We're gonna just flip her over to the other side. My guests around the dinner table tonight don't like it too hot or too rare like I do. So I think we've struck a kind of a pretty good balance here. It's not too pink, it's not too hot with the hot honey. And I think that's pretty good, don't you say? Who wants a big fat slice? I know I do. This is Daddy's slice here. Look at that. Okay, so we're actually closer to the bone. We got a little bit more pink. So I think everybody's gonna be happy around the table tonight. That is juicy, delicious, tender lamb. Yes, lamb. Oh, look at that, people. I'm happy with that. Who wants a slice? I'm sure happy with that. Well, that's just about all we got time for. Thank you very much for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.